Hey everyone, okay, so today is the best highlighters. I feel that every single company can do no wrong. You know, if you make a highlighter, let's make 20. You know, there's so many different highlighters out there. I would much prefer if there were so many pressed powders in different colors or so many loose powders in different colors rather than just an array of highlighters. Okay, so let's make a start. I will include my product, but that will be in the blusher video. Okay, so Hourglass still make one of the best ones. They're very lightweight on the skin. They're not highly reflective the way that some highlighters are. The ambient strobe lighting highlighters, they're just beautiful. Artist Couture do loose highlighters, and I'm a really big fan of loose highlighters. I think that they're really, really lovely. I'm contemplating creating one myself, so let me know in the comment section if you like that. This is a wet product and it's fantastic. It's by Danessa Myricks and it is just beautiful. It gives this wet look to the skin. Oh, there's one that I forgot. Let's see if I... Okay, so this is by Patrick Ty. I think it's limited edition. It's called Major Glow and it is incredibly beautiful. It is a jelly kind of product that looks like glass on the skin. It is lovely. I bought two of these because when I bought the first one, I loved it so much. I wanted to make sure I had a backup. Becca, they do make some of the best highlighters. They really do. They're incredible. This is a great one by Charlotte Tilbury. It is the Magic Star highlighter, which is a beautiful reflective highlighter. And it's very, very beautiful. For all over body and face, you've got Dior. This is Backstage, and this is in Universal. It's just a liquid product that looks stunning on the skin. For more budget friendly, you've got Hourglass by NYX Cosmetics, NYX. And they also do like a, where is it? Oh, I put it somewhere else, Bugger. They do lots of different shades, but they're really good for the price. They're excellent. This one's by Rude. It's a baked highlighter, and it's really, really pretty on the skin. I mean, that is a beauty, an absolute beauty. So much higher end. Actually, I've got two really high end ones by Terry. This is stunning. This is Twinkle Glow. What a lovely name. Look at that. I mean, beautiful, really expensive, but oh, so pretty on the skin. This is by the incredible Westman Atelier, and oh, this is the most. I know it doesn't look like a lot here. It weighs a ton, but I don't know how much product in there. So there's only 4 grams in there, but it weighs a ton. But it is. The texture on this is absolutely exquisite, exquisite. And I should know because I know where they're made. So good. Okay, so this one is by Makeup Forever and this is the Pro Fusion and this is the highlighters and they're really, really pretty. Again, a gel to powder formulation. Hourglass by NYX Cosmetics is actually like a face primer, but they come in various guises. You can use them mixed with foundations, over, under, depends on your preference, but they are really, really lovely. Bobbi Brown, this is really nice. This is Pink Glow. It's the highlighting powder, and it's lovely. I mean, look at that. It's really, really pretty. It's really pretty. Okay, so another one by Westman Atelier, and they come in these incredible little kind of bullets. You pop them off and you turn them and you get this glass highlighter and it is just beautiful. It really is, and it looks stunning on the skin. Charlotte Tilbury, this is a limited edition, the Hollywood Super Glow highlighter, and it is gigantic. You get 11.5 grams of product in here, which is really, really splendid. Really splendid. Okay, Fenty. This is beautiful. Beautiful. It is Rose Rave. Oh, that is everything. I mean, it is the most stunning product. Oh, and finally, Kiko, and this is Radiant Touch. And again, great price point, amazing product, and really good formula. Just look at that, trying to focus on my face. It's so naughty. Go away. Go away. Just lovely. Really lovely. There you go. I mean, there are loads of highlighters, and I've got a whole drawer full of them, but these ones are really quite exquisite. They really are. So there you go. That is the highlighters of 2020. Links in the description bar. Let me know which your favorites are. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all soon. Bye bye.